Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Elko, British Columbia, a hidden gem in the southeastern part of the province. Nestled in the beautiful rolling hills and lush forests of the Elk Valley, Elko offers a serene escape into nature and a glimpse into the rich history of the region. The town was established in the early 1900s primarily as a railway stop and a service center for the nearby coal mines. Its strategic location along the Canadian Pacific Railway made it an important hub for transportation and trade during the early 20th century. The name Elko is believed to have been inspired by the nearby Elk River, which flows gracefully through the valley. The river, known for its clear waters and abundant fish, has been a vital resource for the community and a draw for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're exploring the scenic trails, enjoying the tranquility of the river, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Elko offers a memorable experience that captures the essence of rural British Columbia. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Elko, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.